I, Julius MIGOS Ogamba.
Julius MIGOS Ogamba niwe wendekithitio kuoya giturwa kia minista mweru wa githomo na angikorwo ni ekuhitukio ni kamiti ya mbunge ya WAMURANI ekuingira utongoria-ini riri sector no ikoretwo igumirwo ni makumbi kuma kona ciothe.
Just let me start from where Kenyans are asking, because they're asking, you are the running mate of the former cabinet secretary Ezekiel Machogu. Kenyans have been asking, is this the right person for the job, or is he going to just be an appendage of the person he was running as deputy governor for?
And you are coming in during a time when there is complications on CBC, funding, teachers, and so on. And you have never worked in public service. So my question is, what motivates you now at your retirement age to work in public service, Honorable MIGOS, for us to approve you? What is it?
Thegia ya gukorwo atari atungata sekta-ini ya muingi, MIGOS ni eteteire akiuga ni ehariirie kuiyukia kibarua giki.
Indicated earlier, I've also doubled up in politics, running for parliament, and it's because I wanted to be or to work in the public sector and to assist a lot of the things that I see happening. So it's not true that I have no motivation to work in the public sector.
MIGOS ATARIIRIE kamiti ino ati THINA MUNENE URIA UGUMIIRE sekta ya githomo ni UNYIHU wa KIGINA kuri ministry ya githomo ona kuhanira uguo akiuga kwaya gukorwo ni gukoretwo na uhuthiri moru wa besha.
But nobody has done an audit to find out for sure how much, and then there's capitation, etc. How much is it that is going to this particular sector called education? Because it then happens that because there is no coordination, there is duplicity. Some people get more than 3-4 amounts coming from the various institutions.
MIGOS aya kuingira wabici na gutungana na nditi kihiri wa mbere ari mukana wa arutani kuiga mirothe ni undu wa kwaga gukinyanirio kwa ngirimiti yao ya nyongerera ya besha akiuga angikorwo ni ekuiyukia giturwa giki kwamba gucoka metha-ini na arutani kwaririria uria thina uyu ugutwithanio.
TSC discussed with them, they agreed to sign a non-monetary CBA. That gives me hope that these are Kenyans and they'll be able to see the real situation on the ground and will agree to come up with a working solution, even if it is to defer some of their needs so that they do not go on strike.
Akioneka gwithema kuheana murugamo wake ukoni kuria arutwo a grade ya kenda mabatie guthomera mwaka ukite. MIGOS augite ni ehariirie gukinyaniria matua marumu angikorwo gutigakorwo na kihonia ihinda riu ria kinya.
If you are confirmed, where are you going to take those grade 9s? And we do not even have labs in the primary schools or JSS.
If we find that that philosophical position is not practical while you are in position with the facts and factors that will be provided at that point, then we got to make a decision because the children must learn. So what I can say here, yes, thank you. Yes. What I can say here is that I'm ready to take the decision that is in the best interest of the children.
Shegie githomo kia ngathi cia iguru atariirie ati guthurimwo kwa mutaratara wa kugereka arutwo kuringana na mabataro mao ni undu urabatara gukinyanirio na ihenya utauria kwahoteka niguo gutigirira arutwo othe aria maramukira uteithio wa ngombo cia HELB na scholarship ni maramukira uteithio o uria murutwo umwagiriire. Handu-ini ha KAMITII TV, JITHOMO WABADIRO.